6 Linear Inequalities. In the first session, I have learnt the linear inequalities of one variable and the graphical representations. So in this exercise 6.1, we'll go through the graphical representation of one variable and other problems too. Let us see the question number 1. See, solve 24x less than 10 when x is a natural number, x is an integer. You have learned how to solve the inequalities, right, of one variable. The first step is add or subtract on the both side and multiply and divide if it is the multiplication or the division. See, in the first question, 24x is less than 100. 24x less than 100. Here you can see 24 into x, right? You want only the x term here. You want only your aim is to have the x term. So, in order to vanish this 24, if there is a multiplication, you have to divide it by the same number. So, you will get here is 24x divided by 24. That is equal to, in same thing, if you are doing for the left side, you have to do it for the right side. It is divided by 24. So you will get 5 by 6. 24 divided, it will get cancelled. So x is less than 100 by 24. If you simplify it, we'll get 25 by 6. That is 100 divided by 24. That is, if you go for 2 multiplication, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fives are 2 zeros are, right? 2 6 are 12, 2 twos are 4, 1 is remaining, 2 fives are 10. That is 25 by 6 you got here. Next, in the sub question, see, x is a natural number. You have to take the natural number. The natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity, right? So, till where you have to consider means, see the 25 by 6. What is 25 by 6? So, we will get 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24 till here you get. So, you have to consider 1, 2, 3, 4 natural number. See, it is evident that 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the only natural number less than thus. So, we can write the solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way you have to do for the integer, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2, solve minus 12x is greater than 13. X is a natural number and x is an integer. Your aim is to have only x, so you should divide it by minus 12x, not only 12, minus 12. So it is shown here minus 12x divided by minus 12 is less than 30 divided by minus 12. So it's a minus and minus get cancels here, 12 and 12. So x is less than or equals 30 divided by 12. Simplify it, or you can 2 6 are 12, 2 15s are 2 3 6 2s are 12. We'll get minus 5 by 2. So first is x is a natural number, and which is the natural number? It is 1 2 3 4. But here what you will find is the negative sign here. You will find the negative sign. So the negative symbol is not a natural number. It is not an natural number, right? It is not a natural number. So we can say there is no solution. There is no solution of the inequality. There is no solution of given inequalities. minus 3, the negative marks. You can't write the 1, 2, 3, 4 because it is not a positive, it is a negative value. Right. Now, let's see the question number 3. 5x minus 7 is less than minus 3 less than 7. You have 5x minus 7. You can see a 5x minus 3 is less than 7, right? So you have to, if you want x term, you have to remove the 3 and also 5. First, let us solve the only a single digit right here. Only a single digit, that is, which does not contain the variable, will solve. So, which one? Minus 3. So, if it is minus 3, you should add. So, then only you will get what? 0. You should make it to 0. If you make it to, you can't subtract here. Why? If minus 3 and minus 3 become minus 6. If you want to remove this minus 3, you have to add plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 will get 0. So add both side by plus 3 plus 3. It is given clearly. So minus 3 plus 3 get cancels over here. So 5x less than 7 plus 3 will get 10. You should not cancel this right hand side. You have to cancel in the left side because if you want to make the x term alone. So you will get 5x is less than 10. Now again, you can see 5x over here. What we can do here means just divide both the side by the 5 term. So 5 divided by 5 is less than 10 by 5. So you will get x is same as integer, we can less than 2r. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 0, 1. Less than 2 means x should be less than 2. What are the integers that are less than 2? We can say 0 also, 1 also, 2. 2 can't write because it is not equal to sign. If it is equal to sign, you can, if it is equal sign, we can write 2 here. If it is not equal, we cannot write 2 here. So it is less than 2. Then if it is integer, we can write again, we can write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 to infinity. So x is a real number. See, even x is a real number, solution of the inequality are given by x is less than 2, that is all real x's which are less than 2, that we can write as infinity. Less than 2 can write here is to infinity. Solution set of the inequality is minus infinity. And let us move on to the question number 4. Solve 3x plus 8 is less than 2 when x is an integer, when x is a real number. In the same way we have to do here. So we can remove this by what? Subtracting here. Why? Because plus 8 is here. If it is plus, then we can solve by using the subtraction method. If it is minus 8 here, you will add it, so we will get 0. If it is plus, you will subtract it, so we will get 0. So what you will get here is 3x plus 8 is less than 2, that is plus 8 minus 8 is less than 2 minus 8. What is 2 minus 8? The greatest number sign you have to consider, that is 2 minus 8 subtract it, and the greatest sign, greatest number sign, that is minus 6. Again you got 3x is greater than minus 6. So what you need to find here is you should divide both the side by 3. Then only you will get the question number 5 is solve the given inequality of the real x. See, it is 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. What you need to find here, you have the both x term here. How you have to simplify here means simplify the x term once and the variable, that is the number once. So you will have, you can take right side first. If you are taking the right side first, if you want to remove the 7, you will have to subtract it by 7. Subtract it by 7, you will get what? That is 4x plus 3 minus 7. It is given here. Next is less than 5x plus 7 minus 7. So simplify it. You will get 0 here. 5x is less than, what is 4x plus 3 minus 7 is what? 4. That is minus 4. The biggest number is 7. So you have minus 4. Again you simplify. What you need to find here is you can remove the one term here. If you want to remove 1x, that is 5x. If you want to remove the 1x term, so we can subtract 4x at once. So 4x minus 4 is less than 5x minus 4x. You will get minus 4 is less than x. Minus 4 is less than x. You have to keep one number as it is. You can't subtract this minus 4. You cannot, if you are adding minus 4 plus 4 here, so you will get 4x. If you remove minus 4 plus 4 and is less than 5x plus 4, right? 5x plus 4 you can remove here, and what happened to here means will have the same value. 4x minus 5 will get minus x is less than 4. That is any way you can simplify this. So the solution of the set, you will get minus 4 comma infinity. And same with the question number 6. See here, what you have done here means minus 7 plus 7. What had they done? They added plus 7. After adding 7, you will have 3x is greater than minus minus. You will get 0 here is greater than 5x plus 6. Got. So 3x minus, bring this x and x term to at one side. You will have, or you can make any one variable to subtract here. So if you are making 5x to 0, you will get 3x minus 5x is greater than 5x minus 5x minus 5x plus 6. You will have 3x minus 5x will be, it is not a square because it is a subtraction or additions. You will not get square here. 3x minus 5x is equal to 2. That is the greatest number sign is minus. So greater than, it will become 0 is greater than 6. Then what you need to find here is you got minus 2x here. What you need to do here is you have to remove the 2. So what you will do, you will make it to the division, right? Will make it to the division. So minus 2x minus x is less than minus 3, right? X is less than 2 ones are 2 3s. I will get minus 3, and the solution will be minus infinity comma minus 3. The next question number 7. If there is a bracket, you need to solve the bracket first. So 3x you will get. If it is 3 of x minus 1, solve it. 3 into x, you will get 3x minus 3 ones are 3. Right, so it is here. So again, in same way, I have to do 2x minus 2 ones, 2x minus 2 3s are 6. Got it. So again the same step. What you will do here is, you will remove one number here, any one, minus 3 or minus 6. If you want to remove the minus 3 here, you just add plus 3 on the both the side, not only one side. If you are adding or subtracting or dividing or multiplication, you have to do for LHS as well as a RHS. So it is here. So you will get 3x is less than 2x minus 3. Again, remove one x term here, one x term. So you will add here what is 3x is less than 2x minus 3 minus 2x. What you have done is, they had added minus 2x on the both the side subtracted by minus 2x. So we will have x is less than minus 3. What you need to find here for the real, that you will get minus, exact minus 3 you will get. So if it is an equal symbols, and you can observe here, if it is x is less than minus 3, I will write the inequalities solution set will be, it is minus 3, right? The bracket will be small, because if it is an equal to symbol here, for example, see here, equal to symbol here, you will write, make it to this symbol. You will observe the big bracket over here. If there is no equality symbol, we will write the smaller bracket. You have to observe that. Next, question number 8. Same thing, simplify the bracket here. So solve the given inequality for the real x is such that 3 of 2 minus x is greater than or equals 2 of 1 minus x. The first step here, they done is, they are multiplied by, they are simplify the bracket. So 3 2s are 6, minus 3x is greater than or equals 2 minus 2x. Again, they are done 6 minus 3x plus 2x, because they removed the one variable term there, so minus 2x. So add the 2x on the both the side, you will get minus 3x plus 2x will be minus x. So 6 minus 6 is greater than or equal to 2, right? Then that is minus x is greater than or equals minus 4. You can observe here is what, if there is a minus symbol over there for the example, right? I learned in the sessions, first session of this chapter, inequalities, there is an reverse direction. If minus x, if it contain a minus, so you can observe clearly here, this is, it will be reversed. So you will get x is less than or equals 4 here. Don't forget this. If there is an sign, negative sign, it reverses, the inequality reverses. The solution set here will be minus infinity minus 4. You can observe the 4 here, it is a big bracket because it is equal to symbol over here. It is an equal to symbol. See the question number 9. You can see here the division method, right? Solve the given inequality for the real x x plus 2 plus 6 by 3 is less than 11. We can take the common term from here, right? What is the common term? X, x and x. X is outside, what is the remaining? 1 is remaining, plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is less than 11. Simplify here. What is 6 plus 3 plus 2 divided? This is what? They are taken the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 will get 6. Right, to do the LCM. So 6. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. LCM will be 6. We can multiply the LCM here. 6 ones are 6 plus then 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6. So 6 plus 3 plus 2, you will get 11 divided by 6 into x is less than 11. So in easy way you can solve it. Because you want to remove the 11, if you want to remove the x term, 11 here means just multiply it by 11. You will get what? 11 get cancels, 11 ones are 11 ones are. So x by 6 is less than 1. It is not 0, it is 1. So multiply over here. So 6 ones are 6. X is less than 6. Once again I'll repeat. In this step you have to take x term outside, that is a common term, and after that take an LCM, you will get 6. Simplify it, you will get 11x by 6 is less than 11, and multiply it by 11. You will get to make the x alone. So we will get x by 6 is less than 1. Then bring the denominator to numerator, multiply it by 1, will get x is less than 6. And the solution set will be minus infinity, comma 6. It is not an equality, there is no equal symbol, so it will not write the biggest bigger bracket, you write the smaller bracket. In same way you have to do for the question number 10. X by 3 is less than x plus 2 plus 1. I will write means minus x by 2 is greater than 1. X minus 3 minus x by 2 is greater. You just bring the x term to left side. You will get, that is positive become negative. So you will get it. So you can simplify easily the variable x. So take an LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So cross multiply it. 2x minus 3x by 6 is greater than what? That is minus x by 6 is greater than 1. So note here, if minus, it have the minus sign, the inequality symbol changes, reverses. So we will get x is less than minus 6. So the solution set will be minus infinity and minus 6. In same way you can to do for the question number 11. Simplify it first. After bracket, remove the x term, bring the x term at one side, simplify it and divide it by the 34 on the both the side, and in the next session we'll see the how to plot the graph of the one variable will be in a number line system, So there is an open circles and the shaded circle. The open circle is for the less than or greater than or equal, less than or equal to will be the shaded portion.